This is the supply depot for our first survey team. Quite a few handsome specimens were collected from the border world and brought back this way before the survey members started being collected themselves. We suspect there is an immense corpus created by the intense concentration of a single powerful being. You will know it when you see it. Freeman, you know power.
Well, Gordon Freeman.
Know what you mean. How about that?
Freeman, take some ammo.
Very well.
Dr. Freeman, over here. Check it out. Taking a few liberties with your car. I tweaked your onboard radar so the combines show up red on the dashboard.
Excellent. Someone has restored all power. We'll have the engine up again in no time.
Try not to dwell on it.